In this lesson, we're going to examine how to use the for loop with a dictionary. So let's open up a new Python program so we can review how dictionaries work. So there's our program, fordict.py. So dictionary involves storing key-value pairs. So for example, if I want to keep track of a phone book, I might have a name and an extension. And so I'll have as many names and extensions as I need. I'm just going to do 3 for this example, and we'll stop there. And remember that dictionaries are delimited with curly braces, an opening curly brace to begin the dictionary and a closing curly brace to close the dictionary. If we want to display a value from a dictionary, we have to index into that value with a key. So for example, if I want to see Cynthia's extension, I have to use Cynthia as the index into the dictionary to display her extension. So let's take a look at that. We'll save it. Bring the command window up. And there we see that her extension is 2356. Also remember that we can display both the keys in a dictionary and the values using the keys and values function respectively. So let's review how they work. So the first list are my keys, and the second list contains my values. Let's clear the screen. So now that we've seen how to do that, let's discuss how we can use a for loop to display our dictionary. We can write for key in numbers.keys, and remember, keys will return a list of keys. So this becomes our sequence that then we're going to pull each key out and put it in the key variable. We can say print numbers sub key. And let's make our output a little more reasonable. We can say key extension is, and then number sub key. And so that should print out each name and the value or the extension associated with that value. And there we go. Cynthia extension is 2356. Raymond extension is 2345. David extension is 2373. So this was a very quick lesson, but it's very useful because it's almost a given that when you set up a dictionary, you're going to want to display all the values in that dictionary based on keys. And to do that, all you have to do is set up a very simple for loop where you sequence the keys and then pull out each key into a variable and then use it to display the value that's associated with the key. So with that, we're ready to move to the last lesson in this chapter, and we're going to discuss how to use for loops with files.